All right guys, today I'm with one of my sales partners, Austin Garner, who is actually building in Pangea Park, and this video is all about Pangea. Behind us is the rapid formation of Pangea Park, appropriately named for the supercontinent, Pangea.
Pangea Park is a unique community comprised of different collections, floor plans, and lot sizes.
Speaking of floor plans, Austin, how many different floor plans are we talking that Pangea Park offers?
So technically you have 33 different floor plans you can choose from. 2 of those floor plans are what's called a paired villa, so they're going to be a half duplex of a full duplex, and then the other 31 floor plans are going to be single family homes.
Okay, and then when we talk about lot sizes, I know there's a variety of different sizes. What are we looking at from there?
The smallest lot sizes are going to be 45 foot wide, and they'll go all the way up to 65 foot wide.
And then since you're building in here, do you have a favorite floor plan?
I really like the Parker 2 model. That's the model that I'm building. It also just so happens to be the model that is one of the models you can tour with Viera builders. My favorite thing about the Parker 2 is the layout of the floor plan. I really like the open concept and how the kitchen just overlooks the main living area. I really like the spacious bonus room that's on the 2nd story.
And is the Parker 2, I see the Power Pantry, I see signs for that, Viera builders. It's one of the newer things they've offered in the floor plans here in Pangea Park and Laurasia. What the hell is a Power Pantry?
So I think a Power Pantry has a sink in and plumbing inside the pantry itself. I elected actually not to do that option. Okay. I chose to spend my money in other upgrades, but it's a really cool feature that Viera Builders is offering their customers. Behind us is Pangea Commons, which is where all of the amenities for Pangea Park will be located. And Shane, I heard there's some big news.
That's right, there's pickleball. So one of the most exciting things about Pangea Park is how Viera builders have taken a step outside of what they normally build, and they've offered some really cool things in this community. So their floor plans are gonna range from a single story to a 2-story. We're looking at 1,800 to 3,600 square feet. There's 676 lots in Pangea Park, and pricing is gonna be across the spectrum. Now, something that I really think is interesting is there are essentially 3 different types of elevations that Pangea Park is offering, starting with traditional Craftsman. And what really makes a Craftsman home look different than any of the other elevations they're offering in here is going to be the columns up front. That's something that these homes are holding on to, and it's a focal point for that specific elevation.
Another type of elevation you can choose from when you're building with Viera Builders, and it's actually the one that I chose when I'm building my own home, is the modern coastal elevation. You can identify these by the Bahama shutters in the front and unique roof lines that are metal above the front porch.
And the third one is going to be your kind of traditional farmhouse style. So everything from different accent lighting to even the board and batten that the front has. I mean, it's definitely one of those vibes. Like, my wife loves the farmhouse. I'm more of like a modern style guy, but I feel like that is the good kind of blend that Viera Builders they've offered in here that's new and refreshing, and also with current trends.
Absolutely. Some of the farmhouse designs on the front of the home have brick as well. So it's a really nice touch that they did.
I could get down with some brick. But Viera Builders went beyond exterior aesthetics. We're talking Power Pantries, a Florida mudroom, which is really new to some of the builds that Viera Builders is offering, and something that is extremely interesting, the Parcel Delivery area, which is where you can keep your packages safe and dry. So that's our summary of Pangea. We're gonna continue dropping updates about these communities in Viera because it's where we either live or will soon to be living. And I would love to hear any of your comments or questions or things that you guys wanna know about Viera. So if you have not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and share it with any of your friends that are thinking about the Viera area, or even if you live here. This is just good information to know. You wanna close us out?
Oh, I can't wait to be living in this community. It's beautiful, and from the video you guys just watched, you can tell that it's definitely unique, and I'm really excited about it. If you guys want any more information, reach out to either one of us.